Good day to all of you. Myself, Dr. Arvind Sharma, Associate Professor in Physics, Government Dugar College, Bikaner. Today we are going to discuss about the topic form of minimum wave packet, the Gaussian wave packet. So let us start. According to the exact statement of uncertainty principle, we have delta x delta p greater than or equal to h bar upon 2. That is, the minimum uncertainty product is given as delta x delta p equal to h bar upon 2. From section given in this book, the squares inequality is given. So it is also clear from here onwards, the minimum uncertainty product will be obtained if we choose the function such that there is sign of equality in squares inequality. Okay. The sign of equality can only be obtained if the function f and phi are proportional to each other, f proportional to phi, which we already see that what is squares inequality in last video lecture. F equal to alpha phi. Alpha is constant of proportionality chosen to be obtained sign of squares inequality. Okay. So we put f equal to minus iota h cross d psi upon dx and phi equal to x psi in squares inequality. So equation 2 becomes x equal to f equal to alpha psi minus iota h bar d psi upon dx equal to alpha x psi. Moreover, obtaining minimum uncertainty product, we must have equality sign. So integral iota h cross, actually this is f star, f equal to f proportional to alpha psi, f equal to alpha phi, and we are taking f and phi is like that. So this is f star phi, integral f star phi, that means integral iota h bar d psi star upon dx x psi dx equal to purely imaginary, and this is phi star phi, phi star x psi is and xi. Okay, so this becomes purely imaginary. So alpha star xi, this is phi star phi dx equal to purely imaginary, which indicates that alpha star must be purely imaginary number. Alpha star must be purely an imaginary number, so that for convenience we may substitute alpha equal to iota h bar upon beta. Substituting this equation 3, we get, substituting this in equation 3, this is the equation. So it becomes minus iota h bar d psi upon dx iota h cross upon beta xi. So d psi upon dx equal to minus x upon beta psi, which can be easily simplified because this is differential equation, and by simplifying n is constant, some constant, so it is easily psi equal to n e raised to minus x square upon twice beta, where n is normalization constant. Thus, as we want to represent a wave packet for which integral psi star psi dx converges, beta must be positive. The magnitude of n in equation 6 determined by normalizing sign, integral psi star psi barabar 1. So this integration becomes, and we can easily calculate n equal to 1 upon whole raised to 1 by 4 beta pi. So psi equal to 1 upon beta pi whole 1 by 4 e raised to minus x square upon twice beta. The value of beta can be found by requiring that integral minus infinity to infinity psi star x square psi dx equal to delta x square, since x is equal to 0. Expectation value of x equal to 0. So integration minus infinity to infinity x square psi psi star psi, that means psi square, because x square is outside, so it is square of this. The square of psi 1 upon beta whole raised to 1 by 4 e raised to minus x square upon beta dx equal to delta x square. So it becomes, so here see, this is wrong term, this is 1 by half, this here is 1 by half, because this is minus x square upon beta square of this. So correct this, 1 by 2, 1 by not 4, 1 by 2, here is, this is right, 1 upon beta raised to 1 by half integral minus infinity to plus infinity x square e raised to minus x square beta dx equal to delta x square. 1 upon beta pi raised to half 1 upon 2 under root pi beta square equal to delta x square. Beta equal to 2 delta x square. Substituting value of beta in equation 8, we get psi x0 equal to 1 upon in 2 pi delta x square whole 1 by 4 e raised to minus x square upon 4 delta x square. This equation represents that the normalized minimum wave packet has the shape of a Gaussian curve. It clearly indicates that such a packet represents a particle whose position and momentum can be determined simultaneously under the limitations of uncertainty principle. Okay. If we do not invoke the assumption delta expectation value of x and expectation value of p are not equal to 0 and proceed exactly as above, we shall obtain the result psi x0 equal to whole 1 minus 4 2 pi del x square e raised to minus x minus expectation value of x whole square upon 4 delta x square e raised to minus iota expectation value of p x upon h cross. This represents wave packet moving with average momentum p, expectation value of p. The quantity delta x represents the width of the packet. If we keep the assumption that the wave packet is centered at the origin and moves with average momentum, we have psi x0 equal to whole raised to minus 1 by 4 2 pi del x square e raised to minus x square upon 4 del x square e raised to minus iota expectation value of p x upon h cross. The position probability density is given by, the position probability density is given by psi x0 square equal to 2 pi del x square whole raised to minus half e raised to minus x square upon 4 del x square. Spread of minimum or Gaussian wave packet with time. In this article, spreading with time is explained of Gaussian wave packet. What is the minimum spread of Gaussian wave packet with time? The minimum wave packet t equal to 0 centered at the origin, given by the equation psi x is 0 equal to 1 upon 2 pi del x square whole 1 by 4 e raised to minus x square upon 4 delta x square. The Fourier transform of the time-dependent wave function is expressed as psi x3 equal to 1 upon under 2 pi h bar integral minus infinity to infinity ap e raised to iota px minus et upon h bar dp. But e बराबर p square upon 2m. Psi xt equal to 1 upon under root 2 pi h bar integral minus infinity to infinity ap e raised to iota px minus p square t upon 2m upon h bar dp. The Fourier transform of the amplitude of wave function psi x0 represented as ap equal to 1 upon 2 pi h bar integral minus infinity to infinity psi x0 e raised to minus iota p minus expectation value of p x upon h bar dx. So just replacing the value of psi x0, we get this result, and integrating this, we can easily get the result ap equal to under root 2 delta x upon h bar under root 2 pi e raised to minus del x square e minus expectation value of p whole square upon h bar. Okay. Now This represents that wave function in momentum space. In momentum space is a Gaussian time independent wave function. Substituting AP from equation 3 in equation 2, we have psi xt equal to 1 upon under root 2 pi h bar under root 2 delta x h bar under root 2 pi integral minus infinity to infinity e raised to minus del x square p minus expectation value of p whole square upon h bar e raised to iota px minus p square t upon 2m h bar dp. So psi xt becomes like that, and if we replace k square equal to 2 del x square iota h cross t upon m and v equal to this delta x equal to delta x dot, what is v? So it is expectation value of x dot, that means equal to expectation value of p upon m. Replacing these, so our expression for becomes psi xt4 becomes according to equation 4 psi xt equal to 2 pi raised to minus half 2 del x raised to half upon k e raised to minus x minus expectation value x whole square upon 2k square e raised to iota upon h cross expectation value of p bracket x minus 1 upon 2 expectation value of x dot t. But we have assumed expectation value of x equal to 0, so that equation 6 becomes psi xt equal to 2 pi raised to minus 1 by 4 2 del x is 2 del x whole raised to half upon k e raised to minus x square upon 2k square e raised to iota expectation value of p x upon h bar. Okay, so using equation 5, above equation can be written as psi xt equal to 2 pi raised to minus 1 upon 4 2 del x under root upon 2 del x square plus iota h cross p upon m whole half e raised to minus x upon 2 del x square plus iota h cross t upon m e raised to iota p expectation of p upon x, and it can be rearranged like that. So at last this equation becomes this psi xt, that means time dependent, equal to 2 pi del x square plus h bar t upon 2m 4 m square del x square whole raised to minus half 1 upon half x square upon e raised to minus, this is whole e raised to minus x square upon 2 del x square plus h bar square t square upon 4m del x square. So this is exponential power. This is whole power of exponential. This equation has from equations 13 of section 4.4, except that del x square in equation 13 of section 4.5 is replaced by this. This is the time that is added due to time del x square plus h bar d square upon 4m square del x square. So this can be easily understand that what it indicates that wave packet spreads with time, and width of the wave packet at time is t given by, it changed because it is spreading with time, so it changed with time del x square t equal to del x square t equal to 0, and this is additional term plus h bar square t square upon 4m square del x square at t around 0 t equal to 0, where delta x t equal to 0 is width of the packet at t equal to 0. Equation 10 can be written as like that, del x equal to this becomes under root. We just take the del x t equal to 0 common, and substituting the value t equal to 2m del x square upon h bar, this expression becomes del x t barabar del x t barabar 0 under root 1 plus t by capital T whole square. So it is clear from here that if t less than capital T and t less than t greater than, if t less than t, the width of the wave packet does not increases very much. At t greater than t, the width of the wave packet increases appreciably, begins to spread appreciably, and the original form is completely changed. It depends upon the time. If t greater than t, then there is much change in the wave packet, otherwise there is a minor change. Okay, now we completed this article how there is a time dependent spreading of wave packet which depends upon time t greater than or capital T or t less than t. So we completed form of wave packet and minimum wave packet spreading of wave packet with time also. Thanks to all of you.